Everyone, and good morning. I am here with entry number 2 for my Subbie March challenge, March Subbie challenge, to win this wonderful journal that I made. This is one of my favorites actually, but I'm glad that she's going to a beautiful home. Excuse me, a lovely home, and this has got lots of sort of fabric pieces and ephemera. Nice trim on here, little tuck spots and little pockets here, more fabric ruffles, old book page pocket here, coffee dyed paper, lots of little tags and bits and pieces and old ephemera and photos. Some tickets, and that's Tracy Fox, and I think the journal, if I remember rightly, is Artie Mays. This is Artie Mays, which is gorgeous. I've got more tuck spots and lots of little bits and pieces here, lots of fabric ruffles, lots and lots of journaling space, and this gorgeous pocket at the back. So that's what's up for grabs. All you have to do to have a chance of winning this is to send in 3 items that would go in a junk journal, so handmade or not, but it'd be nice if you put something handmade in there. You can send in more if you want. You're not judged on your ability either, because you know, if your entries, your name will be put in a bowl, and that's how the winner's going to be picked. It's not picked on your abilities or judged on, you know, how advanced or intermediate or beginner that you are with your crafting. So do not worry about that. So that's all you have to do. My address is in the description below if you want to take part. I did run this a little bit longer than the month to give people a chance from abroad to send your entries in. So this will end on the 31st of March, so get your entries in before then, and then you have a chance of winning this lovely journal. So today's entry is from the lovely Lisa, and she's Crafty Lady Lisa at on her YouTube channel. And look at these, look, little cat things. Let me just cover the address up like that, and as you can see, look, there's even these cute stickers on the front here. And let me show you what she sent. I also got a lovely card as well. So this is Crafty Lady Lisa from YouTube. I've got this gorgeous card there as well, and this is her entry. So there's this lovely double pocket, and you put something in there and in there, and these lovely images. I would say that these are from book pages. There's doily on there as well, and I think she's done some stenciling, and then she's distressed them all and got this cute little tag. Look, how adorable is that? That's just adorable. Look. And then there's another pocket here with another lovely image, some doily, all distressed and yummy looking, and there's like this little flip booklets that you can write on, journaling space there, so I'll put that in there, and another cute little tag. Them tags are adorable and all distressed and yummy. And then a lovely double pocket. This is double tuck pockets in there, and this is she'll obviously use a heart doily on there. I think she's backed that onto paper as well, a card, and then another beautiful. I love that image. Love it, love it, love it. Aren't they gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. And I love these little Rolodex, like index card, Rolodex cards. And I have seen a die for this, and I'm in an hour about getting it because I thought I don't have a Rolodex, but I thought, oh, they would be cute for journals. And look, so thank you, Lisa, you've made my mind up to get the die. But I did look for it when this come this morning. I looked on my AliExpress for it, and can I find it? No, I was looking at it last night, funny enough, so I will have to go back and find it. So this is Lisa's entry for the March Subbie challenge, and just beautiful. You have got until, like I said, the end of March to get your entries in, because I wanted to give my international subbies a chance to get their entries in. So thank you so much, Lisa. Anyone who wants to take part, my address is in the description below, or email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com and I'll give you all the information there. So have a lovely day. I will be doing some more videos today as well. I've got lots and lots and lots in the pipeline, lots more AliExpress. I've got some tutorials. Oh my goodness me, I have so much to do. So I need to crack on really and get on with it, don't I? So have a lovely day, and I look forward to receiving your entries. Take care for now. Bye.